What's going on, guys? This will be episode 3 of Salvage Saturday. I am on a solo trip up to a yard in Rome, New York today, mainly because I saw on their website that they had this 1990 Civic hatch here. So we wanted to take a look at this. Luckily, to my surprise, I opened the hood and realized that this had already had a B-Series swap in it, which is a lot of the parts we're looking for our white CRX B16 swap. So hopefully today, we've only got a few hours left, but hopefully I can get a lot of these parts off that I need. And yeah, we'll update you guys soon. So we're back at the garage. We have everything unloaded from the last trip, and let's just go through what we have. Now just keep in mind, I was by myself yesterday. I only had a few hours, and this was a smaller yard that we were at, so there's not a ton here, but we did get some cool items. So we'll start at this end. So the Civic hatch that we were working on had a B18 swap in it, so we took the original intake manifold off of that. I had to remove that to get to the rear T-bracket, and also took the post mount off of that car. So these parts will be for the B16 swap in our white CRX, so those parts will definitely help out a lot for that. Also took the alternator brackets and hardware. We got the climate control out of that car, and if you could tell from the video, it had the brown interior, which is pretty uncommon, I think. So I tried to take as many of the little parts off of that weren't damaged. Somebody had already gone through the interior and taken a handful of stuff. Majority of it was broken, but we got a few things left here. Clock delete plate. We also, as always, took some fuse covers, CRV speaker brackets. We got some of the relays and switches out of that car. Resistor box, shift knob. We always take the switches out of a lot of these older Hondas because we sell the kits to refinish the stickers, or refinish the switches with the stickers. I think I have a set here. So here's an example of our switch and interior kit for this car. So that would replace the face of that switch there. So we take the switches, we refinish those and post those up for sale for people that don't want to buy the whole kit. Some CRV tools, and then also a 4Runner rear wind deflector and some roof rack hardware from a 4Runner. We don't do a lot of Toyota stuff, but those are a few things that I've taken in the past and they always sell well, so whenever I see them I try to take those as well. I think that's the majority of what we got, but I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any suggestions on how you would like these videos to go, feel free to leave a comment below. And as always, be sure to find us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe here on YouTube. So, thank you.